finish you. Yeah. Hello friends, it's me, your favorite not so spooky YouTuber. Today we're gonna be DIYing some Halloween hacks and decor that I found on the glorious internet to see if they work. So I saw this tutorial, how to make a light up silhouette. Oh, it's called the packing tape ghost. It doesn't look like tape. When I saw this, I was like, these are scary. Creepy AF. This is like actually certified, bona fide, spooky. So you basically wrap yourself in saran wrap and then have somebody tape your entire body and then basically cut yourself out of the mold. And there you have it, an empty shell of what you used to be. Okay, for this one, you're gonna need tape, a very comfy outfit, and LED lights. And I got solar powered ones just so I wouldn't have to bother with the wires and stuff. Where's the plastic wrap?
Right here.
So how does this go? Should you start on my legs?
Yeah, you're lower to the ground.
Okay. You're lower to the ground.
I'm a peasant.
Oh no, if I fall, I'm donezo.
You have good balance.
Now hold on, I have to stand like this.
You gonna T-pose for us?
We're gonna make this extra spooky and not do arms. Ash is worried.
What's happening?
She's very concerned. Look, she's like, what are you people doing? She's my mommy. Thanks for styling me.
That's what we do. It's called leftover chic.
Ash, what are they doing to mommy? What have they done to me? Guys, I feel like a mermaid. A plastic mermaid. This is what happens to the mermaids when you use plastic straws. Oh, I can do that TikTok stuff. What is it?
So gross.
Can I take the opportunity to do a TikTok with this?
Oh, are you talking about the
Is it your next
Side to side.
Yeah, you gotta. So gross.
Alright.
I can't breathe. Smash me up so tight. I'm like a cocoon, except I never get to be a butterfly. I don't like my knee bones touching each other. You learn something new every day. It quacks because it's called duct tape. Or it's called duct tape because it quacks. Cut me out!
Okay.
Try walking.
I need to...
Okay.
I'm exhausted. Oh no, that was in my butt.
Cutting her shorts.
I love these shorts. Yay! Woo!
You're doing great, Sweaty. Wow, that looks really cool.
Yeah, she'd be thick.
Dude, that looks like a Coke bottle.
I told you! That's what your body looks like.
I really be that thick?
Yeah.
That's weird.
It really made the boob indent.
Wow! Basically, we're just taping it back up. Oh, these scissors are ruined.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I ruined it. That's my butt. That's so weird. So for the head, nobody wanted to volunteer as tribute. So we used a ceramic ghost that I had. It's gonna be like a coconut head because it's got a little thing on its head. But here's the body. Oh my god, this is terrifying. But also dummy thick, so like, okay. The neck came out kind of dank. Even got some of my hairs in there for added realness. This is the head shape versus my head shape. So we're gonna have to make it a little bigger. My head is much bigger than the ghoul's head. All right, so we have our big thing of LEDs. This is gonna be running through this. Oh, now I'm ruining the neck by doing this. That would be necklace. Get it? Necklace. Push the LEDs on through, and I'm gonna hope they stick. Okay, so I made the neck. I'm gonna pull out the end that is the head. The low end. So I'm gonna take the end of it just so it doesn't like fall and just tape it. So I'm gonna tape it in the head. Alright, so the neck is on.
Hey, look how dummy thick! man.
Ready to tape that neck. Oh no, my head is deformed. You guys can't really see it much now, but you will when I take it outside. Okay, and I think we're done. We're ready to take this bad boy outside. Come on, Miss Lady. How short she is.
That looks really
It looks really good. It's scary because it messed with the head. Now it looks like it's got an alien skull.
It's the Crooked Neck Lady.
Yes. What's a dark place I can put it?
You got it?
Yes. Oh no!
Oh God!
Okay, we're trying to hang this bad boy up. That's scary. Oh my god, so we're taking a piece of tape that we sharpied and then put it over the lights, and now we have red lights. And then we got this thing hanging in my tree. Miss Dummy Not So Scary thickness. Oh, I love the lights. That's super cool. I just don't like how the things came out like these, like how they're just so bunched up together. So I should have like spiraled it throughout the whole thing, through the whole silhouette. I think it looks pretty creepy. This one's a classic, the throwing up pumpkin. You know, it's absolutely sickening for these pumpkins to watch their brethren become pumpkin spice lattes. Disgusting. They can't handle it anymore. Oh my god, somebody made one with chips and guac. That's so cute. If I had a Halloween party, ooh, I'm doing this. That's the best kind of throw up. The one that costs extra and is delicious. That's not a real pumpkin. It's a vegan pumpkin. An orange bell pepper. The rarest of bell peppers. And it's spewing spaghetti. There's vomit on a sweater already, Mom spaghetti. Oof. You're gonna need one thick boy. Did you just assume the pumpkin's gender? And you see this one? That's a mighty fine melon. This one's pretty easy. We're just gonna draw on some eyes. I don't have a thick marker, so we're gonna have to use this one. Maybe I'll paint it on later. Or I could give it some kawaii eyes. And then one big fat mouth. Does that look pretty even? Don't ask why my paintbrush is so large. But we're gonna paint eyes, make them pop a bit for a good old cat eye. This brush is very awkward. Okay! You can even give him some eyebrows. Make him look worried. Like, did I eat something gross? Or maybe I'm pregnant. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Man, these ain't even friends. Okay, time to say ah. Okay, this is the hardest part of pumpkin carving. Good thing we only have a mouth to do. This is a whole entire workout. Ooh, bleh, I don't feel so good. Aw, so sick. Okay, we're gonna stick our hand in there, ruffle things up a bit. Hey! Hey! Give me my handbag. I needed to finish you. Yeah. So we got him outside. I don't think this is gonna last a long time. I feel like it's gonna get pretty gross. And also, the animals around the block might come to your doorstep and eat all of the seeds. I guess we'll find out. Ugh.
Ew.
Disgusting. You're such a messy girl. I had one too many pumpkin spice lattes, and then I realized they were made of pumpkin. You would disgrace your whole lineage with that. I think I got most of it. Wow, for such a big pumpkin, I feel like that one didn't have very much stuffing in it. Maybe I just haven't like fully carved a pumpkin in a long time. This is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Now anybody who's gonna come to my doorstep is gonna be like, ugh, they must throw some good parties. No, it's Halloween night. Oh no. He scared the ice cream right off my cone. Literally becomes an ice cream cone herself. Now you look like an ice cream demon. I like those horns. What if they break though? What if someone gets hungry and you just, I should do that with my gluten-free cones and then go to McDonald's and ask them to put their soft serve in it. But the machines probably be broke by the time I get there. That's a really cute costume. I've never seen anything like that. It's all sorbet and games until your cone breaks. Only OGs will remember Jessica. Smash like of OG. It's 2 in the morning and I'm gonna turn myself into an ice cream cone. Okay, here we go. Drip, 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 bigger drip, drippy drip. Now the drip is going to drip down my eyeballs. Drip, drip. That was a lot of drip. Let's do one big one here. Okay, that is one drippy drip. Don't forget the neck. Perfect. Not really, but it works. I was trying to figure out what color I wanted to do because I thought I had a blue wig, but apparently not. Rest in peace, my dreams of wanting to be cotton candy ice cream, along with my sleep schedule. I think we're gonna do like these two mixed together. We're gonna do a purple. We want it all to match. I've never face painted myself before. Oh, gonna use this entire thing on just my neck. That's not very pigmented. You guys can barely even see it. Target, your face paint sucks. Man, that's why I'm gonna mix it with eyeshadow. Okay, that's a little dark, but okay. It's picking up some color. At least we got some color up in here. I bleed Barney. Y'all remember Barney the dinosaur? Now he's inside me. I'm becoming him. Ooh, that's too dark. We're starting to look melted. I'm hurrying because I want to do the hair. You can barely see it. I don't know why it's not showing up on my neck as well. Maybe I should have melted more in my face. Sorry, eye. It's over for you. Next, you're gonna need some sprinkles. Have you noticed sprinkles don't have a smell? Ew, they just smell like plastic. Don't need sprinkles or you'll get sprinkles. I'm gonna take some glue, put it on the ice cream part. Y'all really think I'm gonna put these on one by one? You clearly don't know me. So I'm just gonna do this and hope they stick. Okay, they'll just fall off throughout the night. Okay, I'm gonna separate these a little because it seems like they're really scattered. Okay, now I look like a disease. Now to take our gluten cones. Wow, they come in a protective casing and everything to ensure that none of them are broken. Wow. Y'all really care about your cones. So how I think we're gonna do this is just put a cone and then wrap some hair around it. Will this even work? It better. I saw it on the internet. It better work or I'm suing. I have daddy on speed dial and I'm suing. My Halloween costume will be ruined. Oh my God, it's working. I like this. Do the other one. I'm just casually dripping sprinkles as we go along. I hate this. Okay, well here it is, the completed look. Oh wait, delicious. Finally, some good hecking food. So this whole look was supposed to be blue. That's why I got blue ice cream. But yes, the ice cream monster strikes again. Oh wait, I need lipstick. This look is not complete. Actually brought my Mix-a-Lip kit. I think we're gonna do this magenta. This is literally like 2 years old. I got it when it came out. Loudy, look at this pigment. I never want anything this crazy. Not even crazy, but. This is what overlining the heck out of your lips looks like. Ooh, girl, who is she? Man, I should have just painted my face with this. With literal lipstick. Okay, that's not even as pigmented. But I'm very happy with this. I'm surprised it came out so cute. This should be a whole entire filter. Imagine 2020. We ain't even gonna have Halloween costumes anymore. They're gonna have filters that will put you in Halloween costumes. Comment below. I wanna know what you guys think of this look. Oh, another one I thought was really cool was grandma in a jar. So I didn't have a big jar. They had a big jar. Basically, you put a scary mask in a jar and it just looks very unsettling, okay? Your mother will not like it. This next one, you're gonna need a mask. Scarier the better. I got this off Amazon. It's just the grandma mask. Your friendly neighborhood Barbara. And a jar. This is the only jar I had. I mean, preferably you're gonna want a bigger one, but I think this should work just fine. So basically, we're gonna roll up the mask and shove Barbara's big old noggin in it. Oh no, it didn't go as I planned. It didn't go as planned. I think I might need a bigger jar because it's like you don't even see her face really. Come on, Barbara, come on back out. We're gonna try this again. Okay, that's pretty creepy. Oh my God, that's terrifying. And it's got hair. I feel like I could have done a better job like pushing it in. Maybe if I cut like the back of the wig. And I'm trying to roll it up into a cylinder. I mean, I guess for this you gotta like keep trying it, like trial and error. Oh my God, that's scary. You could even put lights in it, just maybe water if you wanted to, but I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. Spooky. I feel like she's missing some eyeballs. We need some eyeballs in this. Lend me your balls. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, the face. Comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite and would you actually try any of these. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, and subscribe to join the wolf pack. Oh! I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!